right there.
Good. This is your throttle. Okay? You pull this all the way back, and you leave it there. Pedal. Push it all the way down. That's a decel pedal. It's
Oh,
not an
really?
accelerator.
Interesting. So it's like the opposite of a car, pretty
Yeah,
much.
this is
Interesting.
decelerating.
Okay.
Instead of an accelerator, it's a decel.
Gotcha.
When you want to shift between forward and reverse, you have it down. If you have it up all the way, you're going to slam yourself back and forth.
Okay.
This is forward, neutral, reverse.
Okay.
In order to steer that way, you just lean it over that way. Go that way, you lean over this way. Now that handle there is your blade. Pull it back. Alright? You push it forward, and it lowers down. Raise it up. Okay, rotate your wrist.
Oh, interesting.
Okay? Now to tilt it, you just lean it over to one side.
Hi guys, and welcome to my video about Diggerland XL program. In this particular experience, my girlfriend and I chose their dozer and the excavator. And I'll just give you a little bit of commentary here as we go through this video. I don't want to block out too much of the sounds of the machines, and the other sounds that you'll hear in the videos are kind of interesting, but I want to give you some points as well. So you notice the two-way radio on the headset that he has. That's so he can talk to me one-on-one while I'm in the cab of the dozer here and tell me what to do. It allows you to be completely hands-free, and you don't have to worry about having to reach for a two-way radio or anything. Right now he's just giving me a walkthrough of the controls, what does what. I personally have never driven a dozer before, but I've got a lot of experience with other equipment, so I caught on pretty quickly, and it actually wound up being a lot of fun. Now this part here is actually much more difficult than it looks. The tricky part about this is as the blade digs into the ground, like you can see there, the front tracks of the dozer also dig in as well. Now they're giving my girlfriend a shot at it. She caught on to the controls really quickly as well. She's a fast learner. And again, you can see she's wearing the headset, so the experienced operator, who's our instructor basically, can tell her what to do.
Lay down a little bit, point over towards me, don't towards the wall. Point over towards me. Go to the top of the hill, keep going. Not that one, we can do the next one. Make yourself level. Whoa!
This program really was a lot of fun. They give you a choice of an hour and a half per machine or 45 minutes per person per machine if you want to take two people. You do have to be 18 or older to participate in the Adult XL program, but it really is a lot of fun, especially for those who are really into machinery and heavy equipment and don't have the opportunity to get their hands on one. This is definitely a lot of fun.
What do you think?
That was fun.
Good.
Yeah.